Hi everyone, this is part 3 of WhatsApp lead management part. In this part, we will deploy the backend API that we developed in part 2 in a cloud service called Render. Why I chose Render is that because Render is free of cost and we can easily deploy the application there. The only downside is that the application becomes uh, unavailable or goes to sleep after few minutes or hours. So we all always have to wake it up when we want to try it out through the WhatsApp bot. Otherwise, the WhatsApp bot will stop responding. But for prototyping and for testing purpose, this is a very good option because it is free of cost. Okay, so the first step in this will be we will be uh, pushing this to GitHub. So in my case, I will be pushing it into a public repo, but in your case you can push it into a private repo also, or you can use this repo also because this link I will provide in the description. So WhatsApp lead management chatbot using lang graph. Okay, so this is the description, this is the name I want to give to the repo. I already have my git ignore, I already have my readme file, so I don't want. Here visibility, you can choose it as private or public, it is your choice. In my case it will be public because I want to share this repo with you guys also. Let's create the repository. Okay, so now we have the repo, so we will simply push our code into this repo. So let's follow these steps. First I will do git init. Okay, then readme is already there. So first I have to add all the changes. Git status. So yeah, git ignore, readme, then this PNG file, Python, LangGraph agent file, main file, notebooks also we want. What we don't want is the .env file, .venv virtual environment, and state.db. So those are already added in my git ignore, which are getting ignored. Okay, so I will simply add everything. Git add dot. Okay, then I have to do commit. So you can do first commit or you can do initial commit. That is also your choice. Then git branch main. Then we add a remote to this, connect it to our remote repo. Then we simply push it. So yeah, it is pushed. And if we refresh this, and you can see all my code is recently pushed and everything is there. My readme file is also there and everything is in place. Now we will go to the render portal and we will try to connect it to this repo. So now let's deploy the app at render. For that, let's come to render.com. Here you can sign up or sign in and then go to the dashboard. Here I have already tried deploying one app for my testing, but in this video we will deploy from scratch. So just click on new and click on web service because we are deploying a fast API. So it will be deployed as a web service. So we will go to public git repo and then we will copy this link, paste it, connect. Yeah, so here nothing we have to do. Yeah, it is Python 3, the branch is main, region we can keep it as it is, root directories, there is no subfolder, so this will remain as it is. The packages will come from requirements.txt, which is already there. The start command will be this. So this is our start command. The instance type will be free because we are doing it for our testing. Then environment variable that we have to set is this Grok API key. So just create your own API key in Grok Online, and you can put the actual key. For now, for testing purpose, I will just put this value as ABCD. Let's see if there is something in advanced. Okay, it is all good. So let's click on deploy. So it will start showing the logs in a while. Here you can see the logs have started showing. So first it will install Python. Yeah, so now it has started installing all the required packages. So after this also, it takes a while to deploy the application. Once the status becomes live, I will resume this video. So our deployment is live now, as you can see here. So now let's go to the URL that is created for this application. So click on this. Yeah, status is okay, which means it is deployed correctly. So here now we have deployed the app we created into a URL using a free cloud service. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.